Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to discussion show. Our discussion topic is Bahawalpur culture and heritage. Today we will discuss Bahawalpur culture and heritage. My participants are Owen Inayat Kareem, Usman Shahid and Muhammad Yasir. Let me know about the history of Bahawalpur.
Bahawalpur is the city of Punjab. It is the 12th largest city of Pakistan. It is famous for their desert, educational institutes, and their mahals. It is formed in 1748 by Bahawal Khan first, and it emerged in Pakistan in 7th October 1954. It is the land of Saraikistan. It is also called the Princely State. Now tell about the mahals of Bahawalpur.
As you discuss about the Bahawalpur is famous for mahals. I know about the Bahawalgarh Palace. Bahawalgarh Palace is constructed by Bahawal Khan V. It consists of Baradari, Mosque, Nishat Mahal, and many other palaces are in Bahawalpur. Let me know Yasir other palaces in the Bahawalpur.
Bahawalpur is a city of places, a number of super-like places: Dubar Mahal, Noor Mahal, Gulzar Mahal, Central Library, National Lal Samara National Park, Museum.
These are the places in Bahawalpur. As we know, the international events held in Bahawalpur. Will you know about the international events in Bahawalpur? Please tell us.
Cholistan Jeep Rally is the biggest event of Pakistan. It was held in Cholistan Desert in Feb.
As I shared my previous experience last year, Cholistan Desert Jeep Rally. Many other activities held in this event. Like paragliding, horse riding, camel riding and camping are the most. This event is 4 days event, 3 nights stay on this desert. People from all over Pakistan come here to stay. Camping festival are also organized. Last day of event there is a concert. Ibrahim comes to entertain the tourists that come from out of countries or all over the Pakistan. Also the fireworks also done on the desert, and it is the most beautiful thing that you never seen. I have seen these things, they are most beautiful. As the Cholistan Jeep Rally event near the Qila Drawar. Let me on the Qila Drawar.
Hanan, tell about the Jeep Rally about near to the Qila Drawar. Qila is a fort where the Nawabs live, their family lives. It is almost 130 kilometers in Punjab. It discuss all the impacts or around surrounding of the Ahmedpur city of another district of Bahawalpur. It is a long in the center of the desert. There is almost 20 to 22 domes which can show from the end of the city. There are 7 gates of Bahawalpur, which in the past 90s or 80s only the Bahawalpur is inside this city. There is also the jungles around the Bahawalpur state. Please tell about the 7 gates of Bahawalpur.
These gates include Bikaneri Gate, Dilawri Gate, Shikarpuri Gate, Multani Gate, Dilawri Gate and Mori Gate.
Sona Halwa is the most special sweet dish of Bahawalpur. Miji Nihari can be most famous personality.
Samiullah Hasan Chaudhary MPA, Malik Faruqi Adam MNA, Samiullah Hasan hockey player and Salahuddin Abbasi MPA.
Now I tell about the cricket stadium, Drink Cricket Stadium of Bahawalpur, in which 1952 Pakistan and India played there test match in which the test match has been drawn after 6 days of that match. This ground is founded by the drink name of the secretary of Queen Victoria, which is named after when come to introduce this name of the stadium.
As you tell about the Drink Stadium, in front of Drink Stadium there is a Bahawalpur Zoo. Bahawalpur Zoo, many animals are in Bahawalpur Zoo, such as famous animals, Bengal tigers, elephants, zebras, and wild animals are in Bahawalpur Zoo. Some distance from Bahawalpur Zoo, there is a Bahawalpur Victoria Hospital. The inauguration of Bahawalpur Victoria Hospital is by Queen. All kind of treatments are in Bahawalpur Victoria Hospital. This is the biggest division hospital of Bahawalpur. The Bahawalpur Museum is established in 1976. It is a museum of art, heritage, ethnology, archaeology, traditions and culture of Bahawalpur. Bahawalpur Museum is run by local government of Bahawalpur district. It has 8 galleries: Heritage Gallery, Islamic Gallery, Movement, Current Movement Gallery, and Culture and Traditions of Bahawalpur Gallery. Now on, tell us about the Central Library of Bahawalpur.
Bahawalpur Central Library is also called Bahawal Khan Reading Library. It is formed in 1826 by the Sir Russell. It has lot of books. It's almost 1 lakh of Pakistani rupees covered to build this library. It has lot of. It also have a new updation. It also have a e-books like electronic books or like that. Now we tell about the famous languages of Bahawalpur.
The languages include in Saraiki 68%, Punjabi 28%, and Urdu 7%.
The Bahawalpur railway station is one of the most beautiful stations in Pakistan. Recently, Khudar Mohabbat drama also showed in Bahawalpur railway station and Gulzar Mahal that constructed by Nawab. This is a most beautiful places that drama industries will come here Bahawalpur to promote the Bahawalpur traditions and culture and heritage of Bahawalpur. This is the discussion about the Bahawalpur. Now we close up the discussion. And we are the students of Islamic University Bahawalpur, and we tried a discussion show on Bahawalpur culture and heritage. Thank you so much for watching this video.